My name is Jonathan Brill. I am the CEO and founder of Infinity Drain. We are at the Kitchen and Bath Show Orlando 2026. Today we're highlighting 3 different new products. It's all around the slot drain series. This is a product with a very slight reveal, less than 1-inch reveal. The sizable slot drain gives you a lot of flexibility on site. The goal is to get the drain exactly wall to wall. The challenge is there's no exact dimension. It's never exactly 32 inches or 36 inches. It's always a ½ inch this way or that way. So traditionally, we always had fixed products within that range, and you have to make that work. What that means is you'll have material or tile or stone around the edge. A sizable version will allow you to get exactly wall to wall without the customization by us in our factory. We offer the slot drain in a sink drain application. We've been seeing these sink drains more and more prevalent, and so people ask for less, so less is more. The name of our company is Infinity Drain, inspired from the Infinity Edge pool. So we want your sink drain to look like that disappearing edge. We've interviewed and talked to a lot of different interior designers. They always say, lead with the finish. So now we're offering 11 different finishes. So it gives the designer the flexibility to match whatever finish they're using and make the drain go away. So if you're doing a darker tile, we have options in black or oil rub bronze. If you're doing a gold tone, we have 4 or 5 options within that range. So it gives you a lot of levers to pull to design.